Hey, so welcome to my HTML tutorial. So this series is going to be going on for quite a while until I cover everything about HTML and everything you need to know. So this is Jalen from Shard Dev, and this is what I'm going to be teaching you. Right after this series, I'll be putting out the JavaScript tutorials and CSS tutorials. And Keelan will also be putting out Blender tutorials, so if you love Blender, then you can go watch them when he releases them. So basically, to start out, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. I'm pretty sure that's it. And basically, it's the fundamentals of every website. Websites would fall and crash to the ground like 2012 if they didn't have HTML. If you think CSS is more important, it's actually not. It's just the thing that makes everything look pretty. So it's not the most important thing in the world, but it's still important. Anyways, I'm going to be using Notepad++. You can download it down in the description. It's a free program, and it helps a lot. So I suggest getting that, but you can also use just regular Notepad or anything else you have. Dreamweaver. Actually, no, not Dreamweaver. That doesn't work. So every time you start off an HTML document, you always type in this, I'll figure out what that's called, exclamation mark, doc type in all caps, HTML, and close it. So basically these, they're sort of like brackets in JavaScript, but they're different. Every time you do something, it's mainly put into these. Oh, also, I forgot to do this. Go to language, HTML if you're in Notepad++. Then you can just save it wherever you want. I'm just gonna save it. Actually, not. So make your own folder for it. I'm just gonna call it tutorial. Save this as index.html. Okay. So now we're good. So this is how you start off HTML. After that, you're simply gonna go do the tags again, HTML. Then down here, you're gonna do /HTML. Whenever you do a slash, it's basically telling the system to stop. So if you're doing like running something that says all this text and all these links, as soon as you do the slash, that's when it tells it to stop, so it doesn't repeatedly run through and do all this wacky weird stuff. So in here, we're going to start off by titling our web page. So we're going to do the tag, title, tag. In here, you're going to put okay, I just messed up my keys. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I messed it up. So anyways, you're going to finish it off with that. And your title, let's just say our title is tutorial. And then finish it off with a slash title because, as I said earlier, we need to stop it. Okay, so now I'll show you H1, H2, H3, H4, up to 6 tags. So whenever you're making a web page, you're going to have different sizes of text. You're going to have big text for the headings and smaller text for just plain old text. So the biggest one is H1, and basically it just stands for header 1, and 1 is the biggest size. So if I typed in biggest size here, again, end it off. If I just go save that and open it up, so basically, yeah, to open it, just go to wherever you saved it, index, and it'll show a picture of your main browser. Just double click on it, open it up. So this is our biggest size we have right here. And also, see, that's our title. We put tutorial. You could change that to anything, and it'd pop up there. So this is the biggest size, and this is how big it gets. You can also make it bigger using CSS, but I'm not going to talk about that right now. So I'm just going to leave that. We're going to go over, I'm going to make H2 second biggest size / H2, H3 third biggest size slash h3, h4 getting smaller slash h4, h5, whoa, tiny, slash h5, or slash h6, Ant-Man. So if I go and save that again, refresh it. So this is h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. So that's the sizes. So you'd have your main header right here and all that stuff. So along with that, we have P, and P is just paragraph. That's all it stands for. I think it's about the size of h5 or h4, maybe even h6. And basically it's just writing your paragraph. So I typed in the brown lazy dog hop jump fence over the, save it. So this looks about to be bigger than h5, but not as big as h4. So it'd be in between those two. So that's how big it is. Also, we have, to make like a list of things, you type in UL, which stands for unlisted list, I think, or unordered list. Then again, you end it with /UL. And it's important to get all the capitalization right. If you do like that, that won't work. So in here, it is an unordered list, so it doesn't go in order. To make, let's make our favorite food and favorite pets. You're gonna type in lit, and that just stands for list. Let's just say favorite foods /lit. Let's make another lit, favorite pets. You can go ahead and save that, refresh, and we have bulletins now saying our favorite foods and favorite pets. Okay, the last thing before I end this tutorial is hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are just basically like those blue links you click. It's a bit more complicated. This one, you do this, href. It's basically getting the hyperlink reference equals. For this, we're just gonna do http://www.google.com. And that'll bring us to Google. Then we end it with this. Then, that's not it though. We're gonna type in, actually, this is where you just type in whatever you want your link to say, but we're gonna click here to go to Google. Then you end it off with /a. Go ahead and save that, refresh. See how it is purple, or it'll maybe be blue? Just click on it. Might take a bit to load because it's trying to access. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, my internet's bad. Okay, I'm back. So anyways, here we go. It brought me to Google. So basically that's it. I'll have some more tutorials out afterwards, but for now that's it. Thanks for watching, and hope you like, subscribe to Shard Dev to see tutorials of all kinds, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. I shouldn't say peace, you know what? I'm not gonna say peace. I want you guys to leave a comment down below saying what you want my ending phrase to be. So for now, I'm just gonna say code on.